Good morning. Hey, Steve Bedell with you. Once again, I got something really special I want to talk to you about today. This is a brand new listing that I have, and it's got so many great features to it. You're going to love this home, and I call it right in the first words in the description, I call it better than new, and that is not a hyperbole because you're going to see why. I'm going to give you a few reasons right now, okay? First off, it's in the village of Largo. That's the village I live in. And we're 2 miles south of Lake Sumter Landing. You can hop in your golf cart. I think someone even checked that you can be there in 7, 8 minutes. And you're right in Lake Sumter Landing. And you're real close. You can bop down the other direction, head south. You can be in Brownwood pretty quickly also. In any case, let's take a look at this home and why I'm so big on it. Okay. It's, I guess it's in the village of Largo. And we got a price at 405. Now, you might say, well, it's a, let me see how many square feet we got here. We got about 1,400 square feet. It's an Amarillo. It's a 3-2, and it has 3 closets. Some of the other models that are in this size only have 2 closets. So let's take a look at things. Let's take a run through it here. All righty. Let me get myself out of the way. And let's see what else I can do here. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at things. Here's the property. Now, when I say better than new, I'm going to run through some things, and I might just read some because this house has so many upgrades. It's just crazy. And better than new? Absolutely. Okay, you look right here. The roof, you can't tell, but it's new. It's not even a year old. Then you can see the paint. The paint was done just a few years ago. The whole entire house was repainted. You see these little windows going on in the garage? They don't come like that. They put them in. They put a new leaded glass door in here that's really nice and really opens up the room and makes it a lot brighter. They've done a lot of landscaping work. There's the property totally uh, re-landscaped about 3 or 4 years ago. The paver driveway looks like it's brand new. All of these things are just amazing upgrades. But let's keep going through. There's the outside. There's the outside. Now here's the inside. I'm going to point out just a few things. Like I say, there's so many things I might have to come back. All of the counters in the entire house, not just the kitchen, not just here, quartz or quartzite. I'm not familiar that much with quartzite, but it's a high-end quartz. Everything in this house is first class. We have a huge sink here. The flooring, the tile, all repaint, lights, beautiful appliances. All of the appliances are Bosch appliances. Is that how we say it? Yeah, Bosch appliances. It's just another view out front. Um, all of the flooring, LPV, luxury vinyl plank. All of the fans, fixtures, all of that stuff has been replaced. A nice little lanai out in the back, beautiful lawn. Everything is just in first class condition. And you know what I like about an Amarillo? I have one also. You can sit out on the porch. And I really like that. There are not a lot of home styles in the villages where you can do that. Again, notice the beautiful front door here and the glass in it. Okay, so here we go again. All the fixtures are nice. This is shiplap that they had installed in the kitchen here. And plantation shutters. You can see the whole house has plantation shutters every place. All of these have been replaced. Beautiful new modern light fixtures. This is that quartzite. It's just gorgeous and really high quality. It just looks fabulous. You can see too the appliances. This is a gorgeous fridge. It has the French doors here in the front, and then a big capacity here. You got the dishwasher, the stove. The stove, it's gas. See this? Most of the houses in this section of the villages are electric, even though they are plumbed for gas. Again, look at that great refrigerator. but you have gas heat, gas, water heater, gas, everything. So really nice tile flooring, the beautiful quartz. This is a Maytag washer and dryer. I also want you to know, like, this is the air handler for the furnace. Guess what? Well, they didn't like looking at that, so they made this beautiful thing like this to make it nice instead of having that ugly thing there. So just the attention to detail in this house is just it's kind of remarkable how fastidious and how well done they've done everything. The flooring is an epoxy flooring in the garage. Here's those windows that really brighten the place up. I also want you to notice that this garage door is insulated, and I got to tell you, mine isn't. I go out in that garage sometimes in the summer. It feels like it's 1,000 degrees. But the properties that have these insulated doors, they feel dramatically cooler, not just a little bit, dramatically. So they really do keep it a lot more comfortable out there. And it's better for the stuff that you store out there too. Okay, again, here's the back. You just look at this house. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The attention to detail again. The flooring is the same throughout. The master, again, the sinks, the quartz every place. Attention to detail. Does this look like it's brand new or what? Because, hey, pretty much in a lot of cases it is, or it's just the terrific care that they've taken with this place. Okay. There you go. The other bathroom. Yeah, you have a tub. Some places now you see they have a shower in both bedrooms. But if you got the kids and grandkids that are coming over, they really need a tub to take baths and to take care of the grandkids like that. Okay, and an office room out front. Look at this. That's another view inside so that you can see the flooring. Again, look at my garage floor doesn't look like that. You could eat off of this one. Anyway, just so many upgrades. Drone photos show you where we are. Right there, right here. Only means something to you if you live here, probably. If you don't, well, it's a great location. And we're actually, because my house is like right in the back over here. Let's see, can we see mine? Oh, yeah, this is from the other direction, looking this way. You can barely see up here. Golf course. So we got 2 golf courses down here. And on this side of the road, we got the rec center right over in here. So you're really, really close to everything. And there you go again. So now let me just tell you, because I know I missed a ton of stuff. This is at 405, and we got a new roof, brand new. Exterior has been painted, quartz on all the counters, plumbing fixtures, shiplap in the kitchen, garage and front door windows, landscaping, oh yeah, brand new furnace and new furnace AC in 2025. That's pretty important. There's a new water filtration system. Oh, I didn't even point out, I don't think, the crown molding that was throughout the entire house. The plantation shutters, the Bosch appliances, the driveway and the walkway with the paver stones, insulated garage door. Oh yeah, there's a Wi-Fi garage door opener. I open it from any place that you want, I guess. And luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the house. So once again, hey, I'm going to have an open house this Saturday, September 13th, 2025, in case you're looking at this about 3 years later. And I invite you all to come on down and take a look at this house. This is an exceptional house. I don't think it's going to be on the market too long, because what I'm seeing now, the houses that I'm selling, most people, are not looking for fixer-uppers. They're not looking for properties that need work from. They're looking for a property that can move in and say, it's all done. So it doesn't need anything else, and it has all the options that you want. So if that's what you're looking for, this is it. So I encourage you, come on down and see it. Call your agent if you're working one. Call me if you're not. And let me see what we can do to show you this wonderful property. Okay, so this is Steve coming to you. Until next time, bye now.